Let's make Jamaican Toto. Starting off with freshly grated coconut. See you again, can't catch me again. Can't catch me again for the coconut. I prefer to grate it because when you grate it and blend it, it's two different texture. I'm gonna take 2 cups from this. One cup brown sugar, half cup melted butter, pure vanilla extract, almond extract, salt, dissolve the sugar, a splash of rum, now we're moving on to the dry ingredients. We're gonna add 4 cups of all-purpose flour, freshly grated nutmeg. If you don't like nutmeg, skip to cinnamon powder. Baking powder. Gonna add some ginger. You can add ground ginger if you got ground ginger, okay? Two cups of coconut flakes. Now I like to give this a nice mix or whisk. Let me know in the comments down below. Do you like raisin in your Toto? You like raisin in yours? Now we're combining wet to dry. Gonna give this a nice mix. I'm gonna preheat the oven at 350 degrees, okay? This is the cake that used to show up wrapped in foil. No plate, no explanation, and would still disappear. Once it hit the oven, everybody start walking in the kitchen for no reason. Just notice? You ever notice that? We're gonna bake this for 60 minutes, or if the toothpick comes off clean when you insert it into the cake, okay? Should I allow it to cool or just dive in? Yeah, some people always say just a small piece. Small piece of where? Ooh, this is so soft. Eat yours now, Maya?
Yeah.
Just gonna wait, yeah, man. Just gonna wait. It's still hot. I tell her, I said, I'm gonna eat it with some pear. She said, this is not pear, this is avocado. That is so call it, Maya. Alright, so I'm gonna try with some pear. Alright, hopefully the pear tastes good. Wow. Wow. Very good. If you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to like, share, and also leave me a comment down below. The full recipe will be uploaded on my blog. Thanks for watching. See you in my next one. Bye, guys.